Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. For those of you that haven't, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps my channel out. So if you love fashion, a little bit of luxury and some lifestyle, this is the place for you. Go ahead and subscribe. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing an item that I've ordered online at my local Louis Vuitton. The last video, the video before this one, I took you with me to pick it up, and I also showed you everything that was in store for the first week of September. So you got to see everything that is in our Louis Vuitton here in Puerto Rico at the Mall of San Juan. Okay, what I purchased was an item that was very inspired by my gym bum bag or belt bag, however you want to call it. I wear this one every time I go to the gym. I try to go to the gym as much as I can, so it does get plenty of wear. Now, this is something that is super casual, and I'm okay with wearing it with workout clothes, right? But I was looking for something to kind of replace that, or not replace that, but kind of be able to be the same kind of effect, but in my everyday clothing, right? Something that I feel that I can just grab and go. It's not a special occasion bag, it's an everyday bag. Now, most of my bags that I have, I would have to say they're bags when I'm creating a look, when I'm going to the movies, out to dinner, even when I'm getting together with my friends, I'm creating a look and I'm grabbing one of my bags. But I need a bag that holds my wallet, my phone, that I can just throw on and go, do everything I need to do, pick up my son, go to the Walgreens, do all my errands, and not have to worry about this bag because it is my everyday bag. And that is something that I picked up. Now, this item, I always wanted it in the Monogram, but haven't been able to find it. It has disappeared. But I was scrolling through the Louis Vuitton website, which is one of my favorite fashion houses. Louis Vuitton and Chanel are my favorite fashion houses. And I found this that is exactly the same item, but it's been like upgraded, a little bit more girly. So I picked it up and I said, you know what? I think this fits the bill. So I'm going to share that with you. Let's take a look. Guys, I tried up this new setup. I'm in the back of my bedroom, and my neighbors are getting ready to sell their house, so there's a lot of construction going on, so I've had to stop this video many times, so let's keep pushing through. Okay, the item that I ordered that I want to share with you is this one here, and like I said, it is an item that was totally inspired by my everyday gym bag. I wanted something like it, like its sister or its cousin, that I could use when I'm not wearing gym clothes, right? But I'm still doing my everyday errands, like I'm picking up my son from school, I'm running to Walgreens, and I need something that's going to hold my car keys, my phone, and my wallet. And I'm here to reveal what that item is. Like I said, I've always been after this one in the Monogram, but I wasn't able to find it, so I have this one instead. It comes in this beautiful box here. I've never had a box like this. This is different. It has this little pull tab. So you pull it open and you see the little dust bag. This is the dust bag. And it opens to reveal the Félicie Pochette. And the Félicie Pochette has been zhuzhed up. And look at it now. How beautiful is this pochette with all the little pink flowers and the studs, the little gold studs. This is something that I can wear with a t-shirt and shorts, with the little dress that I'm wearing right now. It's something that I can wear again and again, grab it in my everyday life, and not necessarily a bag when I'm creating an outfit, which is more like, you know, my fancier bags. This is going to be more of an everyday bag. Like I said, a cousin or a sister to my bag that I used every day for the gym. This is going to be when I'm not wearing gym clothes, my everyday bag. So when you open up this bag, it reveals this beautiful strap that it looks like jewelry, right? So beautiful. And it is detachable, which is great because I plan to keep this strap on when I'm wearing a dress like what I have on right now, which goes perfectly, or I can just take it off and put on a little leather strap, which I plan to grab one from Amazon and make it more of an everyday bag, because I do feel like this little chain definitely dresses it up. Now, this chain is fun because you can make it shorter and use it like a little shoulder bag, which is also very fun, or you can just let it all out and wear it as a crossbody. Now, the drop of this chain is 20.5, so that is very very generous that you can wear crossbody and play with it, and I love that. I'm going to do some cutaways and show you where it lands on me crossbody, and then I'm also gonna just play with the strap so you can see what it looks like as a shoulder bag. So that's what I'll do in the cutaways. I'll let you see that. Okay, so when you open up this bag, it has two little inserts that it comes with. Now you can choose to use the inserts or not use them. It's up to you, right? So this one here is just like a little pochette, very, very slim. And it has this little leather tab, and what you can do is add money in there or any documents that you may need, because this is also like a really, really good travel bag, right? Because you need something small, but you also want to look polished. So yeah, so that comes with it. It also comes with this here. So if you choose not to use your wallet and instead just use this insert, this has 8 card slots. Now that is great. So if you just want to bring your reward cards, if you want to bring your debit card, your credit cards, and not use a wallet, it has these 2 little things that it comes with. I think that's awesome, right? It's a bang for your buck. Now the price of this bag is $13.90, and I ordered it off of the website, and I picked it up at my local Louis Vuitton. Now I don't know if this helps you, if you're interested in this bag at all, but that is that little bit of information. Now to give you more information about this bag, check it out. Let me just show it to you from the front. From the back, look at the beautiful, beautiful little clips with the LV on them. So, so pretty, so, so feminine. And you open it up, and let's see what fits in here. Now, to give you a little bit more information about this bag, the length of this bag is 8.3. The height of this bag is 4.7. So I plan to carry, of course, my phone. And this is the iPhone 11. I'm still working with that. I'm recording on mine, so I'm using my husband's. And that fits amazing. I'm going to have my car key. And I'm gonna have a wallet. Now, this wallet is a little bit chunky, so I can choose to change into something that's a little slimmer, or I can choose to use these little pieces that it comes with. Now, if I choose to stay with this one, let's see what it looks like. It's gonna be a little bit chunkier. Let's see. But it still snaps shut. So that's with my wallet. And like I said, I can choose to switch into these 2 pieces for my everyday essentials. So that's how it fits in there. Let me take those out for you again, and look at them. There's no playing Tetris. There's totally enough room for all of my everyday items. I might even just throw in a little lip gloss right on top here. So let's take that out. Phone, card case. I might have to empty that card case so it can get a little bit slimmer, and car keys. So those 3 items are items that I need for my everyday errands. So that's so beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I had never seen it in real life. I had never even touched one of these bags, and I am totally glad that it is as beautiful as it looked like on the website. Okay, let me show you the next item I picked up while I was in store. while I was shopping at the store, I was checking out everything that was new in the store, things that I hadn't seen before, and just kind of like, you know, looking around to see what I like or what's interesting. And the salesperson let me know that there were some new fragrances and that, you know, if I wanted to smell them. And of course, you know, we have our mask on, so it's very difficult to really get a good sense of smell for all these beautiful perfumes. So I don't know, it took me a while, but I finally found one, and this is the one I'm going to reveal to you that I picked up. Now, the name of this perfume is, let's see, Heiress de Apsi. I'll put everything in the description box. I'll put the bag and the perfume. Now, I own 2 other Louis Vuitton perfumes. My very first one that I purchased was the Rose scent. I believe that was like their first perfume that they made. And the second perfume I have is the Atrapi Revis, and that one smells so beautiful and sweet. Now, he tried to, you know, broaden my horizons because I kept picking another one that was very similar to the Atrapi Revis, and we decided that I needed to bring in this one into my collection. It is the Arras de Absinthe. This is what the box looks like. This is $265 for the smaller one. They do have a larger one, but I went with the smaller one. I have the 2 other ones in the same size, and I haven't finished them yet, so I think that is the perfect size. You don't want to go too big because then you end up just having it forever. Ooh, and look at the beautiful color. It's like a violet color, a light purple, and I went ahead and put my initials on the bottle. Yeah, they do that for you totally free of charge. And I smelled so many perfumes that I was wondering which one did I end up getting, but it smells so yummy. Now, I went on the website, and because it's hard to describe perfumes, besides telling you that it smells yummy, it smells girly, which, what does that mean, right? I went online, and basically the keynotes or the detailed features that they say are rose, jasmine, mimosa. They also have balsam of Peru, sandalwood, and musk notes. So the perfumes that I tend to go for are perfumes that smell very feminine, very fresh, very clean, like a beautiful woman that smells really nicely showered. It smells amazing. Let me spray some. I am very happy to have added this one into my collection. And if you're looking for something and you have similar tastes to me, if you like something fresh and girly, it smells amazing. And this is her. I would go for this one. So that was my second purchase for this unboxing. If you've come this far in my video, let me know. Did you like my purchase? Do you have an everyday bag too? Let me know in the comments. Let me know, what bag do you use on your everyday? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Bye.